Hello everyone, my name is Sudharma. I am from Udupi. I am studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, Vadachil, Mangalore, in the first year in the course Computer Science and Business System. My topic is about unlimited range of Wi-Fi networks. Wi-Fi ranges are limited to specific range of distance. You can only connect mobile hotspot to a Wi-Fi network within few meters of distance. But a new concept will change assumption of connecting within the range. Using nanotechnology, we can build a strong and long-ranging Wi-Fi router inside a mobile phone. It will function same as other routers and can connect to long range of networks and also offer best connectivity to the network towers and servers. It can also be used for emergency services as well using real-time GPS tracker. User can connect to the mobile application provided within the mobile phone and connect to another phone with the help of the same application. Once connected to the application, that is server system, the two devices will be interconnected to a server and one user can use the network of other user when the user who provides the network will be providing his network to the tower and the user who is receiving the network will be receiving through network to the different tower. Users can also share data or any files from long distance places as well using the same connection to the server. Next, using GPS function, we can send an emergency request to the nearest service providers who have client-side applications built in their devices. Immediate response may be taken even without use of internet, directly using the satellite connection enabled within the server. The request sent to the mobile will be noted and a satellite connection provider request call to service providers and phone area will be tracked with the help of location from the request has sent or using the geographical code. This phone has additional feature that is a hidden selfie camera with full screen display. Camera will be built behind the screen such a way that camera will not be visible for the user. When the user open the camera application, the camera will be visible to the user behind the screen and it will start recording from from behind the screen at the top of the phone. Although camera is residing inside the display, user may not be able to see the camera unless he opens the application and able to look at the full screen display without any gap. Thank you.